Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a piston out of a Mustang. This piston, as you can tell, is greasy and grimy. What I want to do is put this into our hydroblast. Again, it's going to be high pressure, 1500 PSI. It's going to be a temperature which we have up to spec at about 117 degrees. What this is for is just melting away the grease and the grime. It's just going to clean this part up. It's not going to remove the carbon. It's not going to give you a nice finish, but this is where mechanic shops, it's going to be ideal. I realize in most cases you're not going to reuse a piston, but this is just to demonstrate. So let's get started. Hey guys, so we are back. We have hydroblasted this piston. Again, we understand that you're not going to reuse the piston, but we wanted to do it as a demonstration. The hydroblast has removed all of the oil, all of the grease and the grime. It's got it to where if all you're concerned about is having a clean surface for performance reasons, when you put your engine back together, the hydroblast is going to be great. It's also great for getting into the small, delicate areas, the small passageways, because you have the 1500 PSI. Take a look at the hydroblast. It's a parts washer. It's going to be something that it does nothing that any of your other parts washers will do. Let us know if you have any questions or if we can help you with anything. My number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.